Okay, everybody, sit back and relax because something is going on here. What am I talking about? You probably already know. I'm talking about the 10-year yield here. The 10-year yield just spiked to 3.63 this morning. 3.63. This is crazy what we're seeing here. This could be the beginning of something pretty freaking ugly. Let me start off with this. So this is my pre-market report on this Thursday, May 18, 2023. Something's going on here, okay? And you and I, we know exactly what we are looking at. This is interesting to me, to say the least. And the MMRI is on the rise. Look, yesterday, let's talk about yesterday real quick. My email box filled up. It was like a tsunami of emails yesterday. What happened yesterday? Clearly, it appears as if, at least it appears this way, okay, that we will not breach the debt ceiling. They're going to fix it all. McCarthy caved and Bidenstein, the mummy. Don't worry, everyone. It's going to be fine. Anyway, and there was this relief rally yesterday and a lot of short covering here. Okay, this really, we could be looking at a classic buy the rumor, sell the news, kind of a Wall Street thing that happens all the time. Look, let me just say this to people. I remain short the S&P 500. I own puts on ticker SPY. However, you know how I operate, most of you do. It's very rare that I get into a position one way or the other without having a hedge here. When I entered my short position, I entered two short positions against the S&P 500. My first one didn't do so great. I put on an 8% gain. Okay, whatever. It's better than a loss, right? Right now, yes, my trade, my second SPY short is down 21%. Not too pretty here. However, again, I am hedged in this market being long. I am net way long the market holding GEPI, okay? I enter all my trades with the parachute on, okay? In case I get it wrong, 9 times out of 10, I am hedged in this market. Most of you already know this, but I still believe there is a black hole under this stock market, okay? Now, what we're seeing here in the debt market this morning, this is incredible spike this morning, okay? It's pretty eye-popping to see this kind of a move here. And then we got this dollar strength here this morning. It's interesting setup. You got gold and silver under pressure, cryptos under pressure, crude oil under pressure. It doesn't look very pretty here. Stock futures right now are flat to slightly negative. We'll see where this goes. Let's see if this turns out to be, again, yesterday was a relief rally, short covering. It really does almost look to me like a buy the rumor, sell the news. How this is going to play out, we'll see. We'll see anyway. But again, look, I don't think there's a thing here in this market that comes along that's a surprise to you, to me, or to anybody that follows this blog. Now let's talk about the economic news. So initial jobless claims for last week coming to 242,000. Okay, manufacturing, the Philly Fed manufacturing index is still in the negative. It's negative. Negative. Meanwhile, they want us to believe that we're making things again in this country. Oh, really? Oh. How about no? We have become an import nation. It's very sad to see, but again, no surprise to you or me. The economy, it's dead. It's over. It's finished. And this is not just a phenomenon here in the United States. This is central banks who are working in concert to destroy the economy, crush the consumer, and cause an extinction level event with regard to the middle class. An extinction level event with regard to the middle class. They're dead. For how many years have I explained to people, if you're a member of the middle class, you have a target on your face, just tattooed on, okay? You can't get it off. But what you can do here is realize the situation. What did we find out? Hold on a moment, I gotta fix this here. A little dark. You know what? Hold on a minute. Better? I don't know. What we have going on here, people, you and me, we are in control. You and I are in control of the situation, of our financial futures here, okay? If, in fact, McCarthy freak and Bidenstein super freak, okay, come to some kind of an agreement here with regard to the debt ceiling, what is it? It's a promise to borrow more. It's trillions more. That means global debt is going to balloon more so than you can possibly imagine. Imagine your surprise or mine. Are you shocked? Absolutely not. You're not shocked here. But what are you going to do? You're going to take the opposite side of that trade, okay? Bet against the debt. Become your own central bank. Hold silver, my favorite asset of all time. You know that gold. I love gold. Platinum, palladium as well. Commodities. Commodities, people, again, are the place to be in the future, okay? Cash is going to eventually bleed out. It's already starting, okay, right now. With this 10-year yield spiking like this is cash leaving the debt market, okay? That's how it works. Cash leaves the debt market. Yields rise. Will central banks get in here and buy more? Probably, but that's also massively inflationary. They're inflating the debt even more so here. And what does that mean? You more so need to bet against the debt, become your own central bank. They're not going to stop until they do, okay? I believe sincerely we are marching into a moment of time very rapidly where we do see an implosion of this debt market. And things are going to change so rapidly. Again, people's heads are going to spin around like the freaking Exorcist. You know this. We're not going to change a damn thing. Oh, the other thing that they're doing, and I don't know if you're flipping through the channels like I always do, yesterday, this morning, inflation is sticky. It's sticky. Sticky. It's sticky. What did we just find out? European Central Bank. Oh, guess what, everyone? We got it wrong. Inflation is going to persist. Same thing from the Bank of England. Oh, sorry. Sorry, everyone. We got it wrong. Inflation is going to persist. And the Federal Reserve, they're not going to tell you that. But not only is it going to persist, inflation is going higher and higher and higher and higher. It's not going to stop. Food inflation is going to outpace everything. Why? They want you dead. They want to choke you to death, honestly. But boot on your throat. You all know that, but we can fight back here, people. We're going to fight back how? By becoming our own central banks, betting against it. It's not going to stop until it does. But I'm telling you, there's something brewing here right now. Look at the MMRI, link in the description of this video. It's like, it's spiking here. I don't like it. We know where the first red line in the sand is, people. It's 250. Let's see if we breach that. We are not far from 250 here. Is this the beginning of something? Maybe. Absolutely maybe. I wouldn't be surprised. But we'll see how this plays out here, people. As always, we got each other's backs and we can't lose. We can't lose because we got each other's back. So that's really where we stand here. So 10-year yield over 3.63, actually, dollar higher. MMRI 2.32. Lovely. Inflation is sticky. Don't forget that. Jobless claims for last week, 242,000. That's what they're letting us know about. And Philly Fed manufacturing in the negative. Remaining in the negative here. Oh, but they're going to tell you it's good. Oh, it's just a good number because, you see, it wasn't as bad as they thought. So it must be good. It must be good if it's not as bad as they thought. What do you think? People, make it up. Make any of this up. I'm looking at stock futures here. They are negative now across the board. Let's see if yesterday was, again, buy the rumor, sell the news, how this is going to play out here. It's not pretty, but it's okay. You and I are taking the right action. I can't imagine we can possibly be in a better spot right now with regard to betting against the debt, becoming our own central banks. People, why would you want to hold central bank currencies right here? Why? They're in a race to the bottom. They're destroying the purchasing power by design of the currency. Why? Convert that crap, I was going to say S-H-I-T, you can't say that anymore. Convert that into something you own, okay? When you hold a bill, a dollar, a euro, whatever it might be, it's not yours. You understand? This is yours. This is mine. This piece of silver is mine. I own this. I converted fiat dollars into this, something I don't own, something I work to borrow from the Fed, for which I owe back to a central bank, in this case the Fed, plus interest they create out of nothing. This is a unit of wealth. These are units of wealth, and you own them. You own them. You understand? I hope you get it. All right, people, look, I'm going to end this video. Please comment on the things I've spoken about here. I'm getting like a chill down my spine. It's a weird kind of a sensation right now. Love you a lot. I count on you to support my blog by getting this video out there, sharing the work, thumbs up. I appreciate that. And I will see all of you later, 1:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Pacific Time! I gotta stop saying standard because it aggravates people, all right? And have some questions for me, all right? This guy here loves you a lot. See you later.